the key cut. Let's check it. Make sure it turns. And now, let's get the programming. Okay. So just go to Honda. Automatic. Breathe in. It's a blade key. Yes. Let's do the control unit. Immobilizer. Okay, turn the ignition on. Now let's just read number of keys. 3 keys, okay. Let's go to all keys lost. Just 1 key. Turn the ignition off. Turn the ignition on. Turn the ignition off. Turn the ignition on using the same key. As you can see, the green light is still flashing. Turn the ignition off. Turn the ignition on. Went out. The light go out, yes. Turn the ignition off. Alright. That's it. Now, let's just test it. Make sure it starts. As you can see, the remote for these vehicles, for this type at least, the remote programs with the transponder. That's it. Thanks for watching.